Hi. So today we're back at the range with the 50 Beowulf. And what we did was we got a Bushmaster mag I had. Took the follower and I cut the nub off with a milling bit, make it flat. Cut out the front. These are the last four from the last time we were out. I resized them. We're going to shoot them first, and then I have one of these loaded, with about a grain and a half less powder. It's Reloader 7. So we're going to give them a go and see what happens. Keep our fingers crossed. Got a target down there, the 50-yard line. Down there in that pit. That backstop is in a terrible condition. But let's keep our fingers crossed. See what happens. 4 rounds, the old load. New mag. Went in there okay. Let's see how we go. Oh, I put a red dot on here too. Didn't sight it in yet, but we'll see what happens. Damn it! Yeah, I'm a little ticked now. We are having issues. Coming out of the mag and ramming in to the front of the ramp. But this ramp is cut for this. Can't figure it out. Alright, these ones are seated a touch deeper than the other ones. Let's pour 4 of them in and see how that goes. The other one, when I loaded the mag, the round was sticking up too far. This one here now almost seems like the round is sitting too flat and not wanting to come up out of there. Alright, these are loaded down a touch. Let's give them a go. Nope. See it in there? Straight in, not going up the feed ramp. Actually, the bullet is facing downward, pitching down. So we're gonna have to work on that mag. There's actually a groove right there in front of the bullet. I think you should be able to see it. Yeah, we're gonna have to work on this mag to get them so they're up a little bit more. Very disappointing. Had my hopes up for that. Here we have 4 more in here. Luckily, I brought my blackout with me. I'll shoot it too today. Damn it. Well, as the 50 Beowulf saga continues, it like a nice smile. It's really hitting. Huh. Yep. Well, wow, it's like peened right over. I mean, definitely have enough pressure in the spring to push it close. Just coming out of this mag at like a weird angle, pushing it downward, not up. Not up at all. All right, that's it for today for the 50 Beowulf fail number 2. Thanks for watching the video.